sabiedrīcības. Tur aizmugurē pāri.
Pievaino.
Un telpā iekšā. Stāvā un tur pat arī otrā stāvā arī. Tur redzēt.
Labi.
Nu, ja džekiem pa mazām vajadzībām ir arī ārstolē, bet viņš tāds višķi brutāls variants, mēs viņu īstā baigi nelietojam. Bet, ja kādam vajag iespiet, tur arī ārā. Tur arī galā ir.
Mārs tas pats, vietā pat. Viņš te saka, es nezinu, bet kaut kad es saņemu vēstuli ar tādu vārdu no tās vietas. Vai tu esi tas? Bija. Brīnišķīgi, ne? Tā savai. Ja ir iespēja paņemiet šo, bet neturiet. Šeit uz Belko. Līdz tam arī ir brīnišķīgi. Un pēc tam
Hello everybody, and many greetings from Finland. Those Slovenes. My name is Esa, Esa here. It's my first name. And I am very happy when I see so many children here. Because I am a grandfather for 10 grandchildren. And I am very proud. And you are very important persons here. Every children. Yeah. And I have been in many children camps too. And I like to be with children. Somebody says that boys are always boys. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm now over 17 years. How many is over 70? Okay. Great. I'm not alone now. Okay. Great. And I became Christian in 1978. I was in Adener school. Garden. There's trees and flowers. And I was there in my own room alone. And one night I lay down on my knee, you know this. Yeah. And I said to Jesus, and here I am before you, Jesus. Forgive me my sins. And I want to live some kind of life you want to live. Yeah. I felt nothing. But later I understood that God has done something in my life. And now I have been Christian over 40 years, 45 years, 46.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And I have been many motorcycles. And now I belong in this DNA. I feel that this is my family. Yeah. And it's very great to be here in Latvia, because I feel that CMA Latvia, and CMA Finland, we are together like a big family. And it's great to be here now. We have about 50 members in Finland. And the two chapters. And I am chaplain in our chapter. Before I was a pastor in Pentecostal Church. But then now I am retired. And now I'm chaplain. Yeah. Okay. Today we must go back to home. We drive to Pärnu today. And tomorrow we take ferry from Tallinn to Helsinki. And this was very great trip. And I like to meet our friends. Because I feel that we are brothers in the same family. Yeah. Okay, this was my greetings to you